I feel like I'm kind of like a hoarder when it comes to gift wrapping of any type, like any holiday or any reason. And my secret is I always go the day or the week of after Christmas. Everything is always on clearance. Everything. And a lot of these actually are from the dollar store, so they're already cheap. But are you listening to me? I just always get them on clearance. So I have like an absurd amount always, and quite the assortment, which I'm pretty proud of because I just really love gift wrapping. I really enjoy it. If anyone ever wants me to wrap for them, bring it on over. I'll do it because I love it. This other stuff though is from either Walmart, Michael's, or TJ Maxx. Like a lot of these super pretty ribbons are from actually TJ Maxx and Marshall's. But the rest of them are mainly Walmart. Like these assorted bows and ribbons are Walmart. It's Dollar Tree. But they're really pretty. I was actually very impressed with the holiday stuff that the dollar store is coming out with. These are like classic. Also some boxes. I got these on clearance. Gift tags, which I'm actually running low on. I should probably remember that, hopefully, to get those on clearance. But I'm excited to finally put what I picked up last year to use. Look at all these. So pretty. I'm also a bow saver. I'm that person. Like after a holiday or something and people open their presents and rip off their bows, I snatch them. I literally throw them all in a box or bag and I take them and reuse them. Same thing goes for boxes and gift bags, tissue paper, most things, to be honest, I recycle because I don't really see a point in wasting it and just throwing it out when it can be reused. Like paper and stuff I obviously throw out because it gets like ripped and shredded and whatnot, but everything else like can be totally reused so many times. Instead of just using the adhesive bottom, just use tape. I don't know. I just believe in recycling and reusing where you can. Save you money, kind of saves the planet, I guess in a small way. Speaking of the dollar store, I picked these up last week and I just thought they were so cute. They could be used for gifts or decor. They come in a bunch of different styles. They had more than these, but these were the ones that I preferred. But they're each $1. And some of them are singles and then other ones, like the ones on the end, come in a set. So it's a really good deal. I thought it would be really pretty to use these neutral ones on my wreaths or garland. And then the other ones I thought would be really cute on a big box for gifting. You know, I have this super weird obsession with sloths. Look how perfect and amazing and majestic this wrapping paper is. I forgot I had this. Will actually picked it out last year from Target. For the life of me, I cannot find it anywhere. I've been trying to find it online so I can link it for you guys for any other sloth lovers. But I can't find this exact one, so if you do, let me know. I love it. I'm about to have a little lunch. I'm gonna heat up some soup. My neighbor was super kind and brought me over some last night. It's so good. I had a little bit last night, so I'm gonna have some more today. It's delicious. And she did send me the recipe, so I wanna try and make it myself. And I will put that down below for you guys too if you're interested. It's tortellini. It's, oh my gosh, it's so good. Can't even explain it. After lunch, I decorated my foyer table. Does anyone else just like move things around 800 times till you like it? Or is it just me? Here's how I ended up decorating the foyer table. You guys can see the garland there if you missed the last video, but it's pretty simple, at least compared to the way I did it last year. And then I also put this little area together. Pretty simple as well. Oh, hello. You just always want to be in a video. You have FOMO? Always got to see what I'm doing, who I'm talking to. Pretty simple. We have some shoes in here, so we use that as like storage when we first come in. And again, this wall will eventually also be redone, so this is just temporary right now. Also got these little lights right here, which are really cute. See if I can turn them on so you can see them better. I got those from Target. They have like little trees and snow inside. Super cute. But at nighttime, it's really pretty. It just adds like a nice little glow. And then I also put another set of battery operated ones in here too that kind of just glows around these stems. Because it gets really dark in this corner unless we have the like bright outdoor light on, but I don't always like to have that on because we have our light up wreaths and garland outside, and having the front door light kind of takes away from that. So this just adds a little bit of light inside. I'm going to show you guys real quick how I also decorated my mantle this year. So I used the same style garland that I used on my staircase that I showed you guys, and I'll post that link down below if you guys want to catch up on that. I also posted more detail on my blog. So I used one layer of the garland, and then again using the extra stems and picks to fill out any areas I wanted to thicken up. Then to add some interest and height, I added these candle holders and flameless candles. I really love these because they look real when you use them. They have a flickering, moving flame, but they're safe to use. Then I added our stocking holders. I have a few different style of these, but this year I decided to go with the galvanized version because it matches the tree collar that I also used this year. And then I added our stockings. Once Will got home from work, we were finally able to actually decorate our tree, although I really did love it with just the garland, the topper, and the lights. But it's always fun to decorate the tree together. And here is how the tree and mantle turned out. We were really on the fence this year if we wanted to go for a green tree or a flocked tree. I think next year we're going to go for flocked and have both to interchange. Which look are you guys going for this year? We're loving this faux tree here. I'll post the link down below if you guys are interested in getting one. They're so convenient. I'm also curious if you guys are team white lights or team colorful lights. Growing up, our family always did colorful lights, but ever since Will and I have lived together, we've always done white. I think colorful lights are especially fun when you have kids, so maybe later down the road we'll switch it up. So for dinner tonight, we just did takeout. I still have a lot of editing to do, and Will is working on some stuff in the basement. So I got a wedge salad with some steak on top. I might argue that Rue is the most spoiled pup ever. So we're gonna get ready for bed. That's all for today, day 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, be sure to check out the description box or comment below, and I will see you guys tomorrow in day 3.